Perplexity just broke the internet, so let's get started because today I've got some amazing news, some huge updates by Perplexity, and you are going to love this because for free you are going to get super high quality AI tools that you can use every day. So let's get started because Perplexity just made live their own deep research feature. They surpassed OpenAI in releasing this thing for free to the public, and every day you can do up to 5 queries for their deep research. And if you're a pro user, 500 queries. And if we check the benchmarks, it's one of the best models in terms of simple QA. You can see here benchmarks versus O1 Mini, GPT-4o, O1 Preview on this specific benchmark. Also on the humanities last exam, it's outperforming major other tools, even O3 Mini. It lags behind O3 and OpenAI's deep research, but again, we get this for free, 5 generations every day. Whereas in OpenAI kind of thing, we were expecting like 2 per day or 2 per month. I'm not sure, I don't remember. I've covered it in yesterday's video. So this is a major step. But not only that, it's also super fast to use. So we're going to check it out today. We're going to try it out. And what you want to do is navigate to the Perplexity website. You want here to select the deep research button. And of course, very great things is that you've got the pro search, reasoning with R1 and reasoning with O3 Mini. Again, you can use this for free. So in all honesty, this is absolutely insane. Perplexity has been making huge leaps, and this is very exciting to see. More competition also on the free side of things. So let's check it out. Let's try it out. I'm going to ask it my first big question about a thing that I want to create. So I want to actually create high quality search using my local agent. All right, so the first query is that I'm trying to actually create an AI agent that automatically posts airdrop guides. I have a crypto channel with airdrops and all of these things, and I want to automate posting on X. But the problem that I currently have with my first iteration of the agent, which we have created live in a previous video, go watch it out. It's called How to Create Agents, is that actually this agent is not of very high quality. There is a lot of hallucination, very bad internet search. So I want to improve that, and I want Perplexity to give me the answer to this problem. So we're going to use deep research for that. This is such an exciting update. And again, the use case for which I'm using it right now may not be correct. It may be wrong. But what I really like is that it also shows us the thought process. So I need to search the web to find up-to-date guides on crypto airdrops that include link requirement suggestion, relevant information incorporated in AI agent design for creating. Okay, this is nice. It tries to understand the problem, the requirements. It also takes our input and sees how it can merge everything. I need to search for resources or guides on designing AI agents. I really love the thought process. It is able to show us what it's reading. It's also able to show us the thought process. In any case, we can reverse engineer in steps and do it ourselves if we're not happy with the answer or if we want to change a specific part of the equation. And here the previous search identified, so this is like a summarization step. This is very important. And what I really like is that it's running so fast. I'm also very excited to see the free usages for OpenAI's deep research. I think it's going to be incredible. We have specific examples with blockchain features using tools like Olama for summarization. Okay. So it's searching about DuckDuckGo and my Llama model about retrieval and things. So it tries to come up with a design. So the previous search reinforced specific examples. So it found specific examples for doing this integration. All right. This includes how to tie together the steps for search and relevant information. So it gathers information on how it can use Llama and LangChain and DuckDuckGo to conduct this search. Okay, so now it looks on how to create this agent. It's so fast, I'm not even able to read as fast as it does. Cran AI and Fraction AI, which highlight how agents can automate tasks. Okay, so here are the cited videos. This is very nice to see. Really want to continue Okay, so all of these, wow, this is insane. So it writes the final report right now, and in summary, the solution should combine targeted web searches, okay, data extraction focused on airdrop details, structured content generation, and validation steps to ensure accuracy. I really love this. I never thought of doing validation step. And also it tries to use the X posting format, which is also very good. Integrate with X API, that's also very good. Potential pitfalls, outdated information or scams, this is nice. Okay, so this is important. This seems like a very good result. So intelligent web scraper. Use DuckDuckGo through LangChain to identify emerging airdrops. Yes. And it uses temporal filtering to prioritize recent listings. Okay, this is interesting. Data enrichment pipeline augments raw scrape data. Okay, that's interesting, but I don't know if we should use it at this point. It also gives us a template. So generate X post about project name, 3 requirements, emojis, step-by-step guide, numbered, 2 pro tips, official links, max 280 characters per section. Okay, that's interesting. Post schedule, okay, that makes sense. Let's see the phase 1. Get airdrop queries. Site, airdrops.io, latest crypto airdrops, new token eligibility requirements. Okay, how to participate in blockchain airdrops. So this is like an input. Source validation, 5 points, verified project, websites established. Okay, so it uses a point system for validation. And here we see a schema. So we've got the network. Okay, this is pretty constrained. Requirements deadline. Pydantic parser to extract structured data from unstructured text. That's interesting. Content generation best practices. Emoji clusters, all right. So sample output structure, requirements. Okay, I really like this structure. How to participate. Okay, that seems very professional. Okay. Scam indicators, immediate ETH payment, private key request, okay. Performance optimization, caching strategy, okay. So graph TD, I don't know what this is. Feedback loop, report false positive negatives. Okay, I'm not sure about that. I'm already starting to lose it a little bit. All right, this is an interesting result. I guess I have to look into the citations and all of these things. Okay, provide a Python implementation for this agent. Okay, so I'm going to ask it to actually provide a Python implementation for this agent. So maybe we can actually try it out. So this is my second query of the day. So it starts searching again the internet. Like searching the internet with large language models has so much potential to improve literally everything. We're still at very early phases. All right, so crypto Twitter automation Python type. Okay, so this is what it searches about. All right, makes sense. A/B testing, so it tells us to do specific things. I think the result is absolutely very, very nice. It also has CryptoCove here. It seems like a very high quality generation. I think it makes complete sense. I think it's very... I think this is very, very exciting, in all honesty. And if you couple it with all of the other available tools, you know, it's amazing, in my opinion. Again, the goal of deep research is not to write code for you, but I actually use it to find me and do research on what code is available. And then I can feed this code in O3 Mini or maybe Cursor, and they can work out some details about technical stuff. Also, you know, you've come up with 44 sources that you can use and search on your own. So essentially, instead of going Google search and clicking like 30 sources, you write the query here with what you want to do. It finds the most relative stuff and does a summarization, potentially gives you some answers, and you get the result that you want. So I think this is very, very nice to see. Again, I don't really want to waste your time with this. Maybe I will try this agent in a future video so we can see what the result is. But as a first opinion, this is very exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Try it out and tell me down below in the comments if you enjoyed Perplexity deep search.